All right, math teacher making money. 25,000 a year. That's not a bad raise right there. 8% a year. So let's write out how much this teacher will be earning after every year. This is the first year. What's the second year? What's the second year? How would you figure that out? Okay, you'll take 25,000. You can multiply it by 0.08 to find out how much that would be. Like, what is 8% of 25,000? But you can also throw a 1 in right there, and that one will automatically add the 25,000 to it to see how much he would make. Here, let me show you guys. If I just take that number, now I'm going to use a calculator. I'm going to cheat here because I don't like doing a bunch of multiplying all the time. Okay, we would get 0.2000. So 2,000 is what 8% of that would be. And if I had that 1 there, I'm going to actually write it all out now. Okay, it would be 0, 0, 0. And then we have 8 times 5, which is 40. I'll put the 4 right here. And what is 2 times 8? That's 16 plus 4 is 20. And then I would go 0, 0, and then I do the 1. So I got 2 placeholders for the 8 and the 0. And then I add 0, 0, 0, 5, 2 to this. And I get 0, 0. There's my decimal because of 2 decimal places. 0, 0, 0, 7, and then 2. You see, it automatically added the 25,000 to it, which I think is kind of interesting. So we have $27,000. $27,000. So that's how much he makes next year. How much is he going to make the following year after that? Is it going to be plus 2,000, or are we going to do even more? Oh, snap. So we got to go 27,000, and we're going to multiply it by 1.08. Right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so if I do that, what do we get? $29,160. All right, I use a calculator. No lying. Or no cap, is that what you say? Yeah. Sorry, I'm a nerdy, white, male teacher. It just... I didn't say dirty. I didn't say dirty, I said nerdy. Oh. What's going on with your head? Now, we can continue this, but I'm not doing this a bunch of times. How are we going from number to number? We're multiplying, right?
Yeah.
It's from here to here, from here to here. What are we multiplying by? 1.08. 1.08. So that's our common ratio, right?
Yep.
Okay, so we can we do like a cool little nth term thing here, and then we can go ace of 10? Yeah. All right, let's do it. So we have 25,000. And then our ratio is 1.08, and we have nth minus 1, right? Hey. So this will be way easier. Let's do 25,000, 1.08 raised to the 9th power. Because when we plug in 10, it'll be 10 minus 1, right? Right. Okay, do that in your calculator. Let's do it. All right, so what do we get? We get 49,975.12 cents. You better round that 1 up to a 2 because there's a 5 after it. All right, so that is how much you would earn, this teacher would earn after 10 years. Okay, it's definitely double. That's not, oh, it's almost double. That's not bad. Okay, so how much would his total earnings be after 10 years? So you know what that means? That's a series. That means we're going to take all these numbers right here, we're going to add them together. I hope there's a formula for that too. Oh, snap, there is. It's S sub 10. And so we take the first term, which is 25,000, and then we go 1 minus the dumb rate, which is a dumb what do you call it? Decimal, 0.8, and we're gonna raise that to the 10th power. Hey, and then we're gonna divide that by 1 minus 1.08. Okay, let's use our calculators to figure out how much money this teacher would have after 10 years if they didn't spend one dime of everything and taxes didn't exist. Okay, I plugged it all in the calculator. This is what I got. I got $362,164.06.
Oh.
When you guys plug this in your calculator, make sure you put these parentheses right here. Okay? You got to make sure those parentheses are around the numerator and the denominator. Otherwise, you will not get the correct response. Your calculator will read it differently.